So I'm just showing you guys a close-up, yeah, of how I do my locks. I just keep on talking and talking, but let us hear what I have to say. But yeah, I know a lot of people, after they saw my locks, because they realized that, oh, it actually turned out good, and people texting me, you know, saying, Deandra, you know, I want to start my locks. What is it like? Whatever. Okay, it wasn't anything important. So basically, I put the hook under the root in a diagonal position, pull through, and I try to go in a different direction each time so I don't have a loop at the root of my hair. So yeah, attaching the end of the hair to the hook and pulling it through. So I'm basically finished with the front part. So this is how it looks. So yeah, I will get back to you guys when I am close to finishing or when I'm done. 10 hours to finish my hair in one go. Like I only pause to eat and sip water and use bathroom. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot more about locks, and if you had a feeling to do it. Right, once you're ready, once you do your research, get the locks, girly or guy. Bye.